At first glance, this looks like nothing but scrap, but in the next few minutes, you'll watch it come back to life.
If you enjoy watching transformations like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next restoration.